Hi, welcome to No Plans. My name's Yvonne.
And I'm John.
And tonight we're inviting you to join us for dinner.
We're going to show you how that Kuuma grill performed, as well as Yvonne's going to make a great pasta salad.
I'm going to whip up a quick pasta salad. It's one that we eat a lot. It just has bow tie pasta. It has some tomatoes, basil, garlic salt, and some balsamic vinaigrette. We normally use the Ken's variety, but this is what we had on hand, so I decided just to go ahead and use it. So all of the amounts that are needed, we'll go ahead and list that. But what I do is I prepare my pasta before I get to the boat because our galley is so small and there's not a lot of room on my stovetop. So I bring my pasta already cooked and I've chopped up tomatoes, and I use probably half of a package this size of tomatoes. And with the basil, I probably had about 6 leaves of basil from our garden, and I just rolled that up and chopped it up and added it to our pasta salad. And I used about 1/4 teaspoon of our garlic salt, and I mixed it all together, and this is the end product. This usually lasts about 3 days in our fridge, so I'm going to put it back in a Ziploc bag and stick it in the fridge until we're ready to have dinner. I like this pasta salad because we can eat it as a main dish or we can have it as a side. So sometimes if we have cucumbers, we'll chop those up and we'll add it to our pasta salad. But it's really a good dish to bring to a potluck, or if you're doing a cruise out, it's something that can feed a few people. So we like to have this, all the ingredients on hand at our house. So on to our burgers. Okay, so we're halfway through our burgers, and I just want to say they're cooked really well.
Grill did great.
Yeah, it did a very good job on the burgers, and so I definitely think that we're going to be grilling more often.
And we recommend the Kuuma grill.
That's for sure.
Yeah. Good job.
That's all we have for you today, and we hope that you enjoyed our content. And if you did, please like this video and please subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you soon.
Cheers.